Hello guys, here is top 10 killer hacking apps that you must need some time, so stay tuned. Number 1, DriveDroid. Just suppose one of your friend has changed your computer password and leave, and you urgently need to extract some files from the computer, or let's just say, your computer crashed and you need to email important document to your friend. Now, usually, if you want to boot a computer with live CD or something, but that takes time and other computer, right? Well, this is where DriveDroid comes to rescue you. This small root app can work as live USB. Download a small Linux distro like Slitas and mount it now. Connect your Android with computer with USB and boot from it, and there we go. Overall it takes 5 minutes to do everything, and you can boot into any computer from just Android phone. Number 2. Netcut. The list of hacking app cannot be completed with Netcut. So, Netcut is similar to Wi-Fi Kill, you might have heard before. And all it does is kick people off your Wi-Fi network, with just a touch of button, but there are two features that make it better than Wi-Fi Kill. 1, let you search device by name, which is enough reason to use this app, and second is you can adjust the internet speed on any device on your network by moving the slide. So, 0 means no internet and 100 means full internet speed. That you must. Number 3, Market Helper. Sometimes this happens to all, where you are trying to install a cool new app from the Play Store, but unfortunately, either the app is not available for your device or country. Well, in such cases the obvious solution is to sideload a app, right? But, with Market Helper you can spoof your device model, region or carrier, and now you can go to Play Store and download the app of your choice. Though, just because you change your device model number, it doesn't necessarily mean every will run on your devices. Ultimately, it goes down to the compatibility of the app with your Number 4, Parallel Space. There are times when you want to run multiple instances of same app, like to WhatsApp, Instagram or Snapchat account, etc. Let's just say, 2 instances of any app, and with Parallel Space you can do that. So, the way this app works is pretty easy. It creates an isolated environment, and allows other instances of the apps to running inside it. And since you are running the official app on both sides, there is also a low risk of getting your account banned. Number 5, Orbot. Now, if you are into hacking and anything that work with sensitive data, then Orbot is one of the must-have tool in your arsenal. So, what exactly does it do? Well, Orbot is a Tor client which provides you an anonymity on the web. So, here is how it works. You start the Orbot server and start browsing. On the surface everything will appear normal, but if you scratch the surface you will notice, Tor bounce your connection to 3 or more server. And that's pretty amazing. Number 6, Wi-Fi Password Recovery. So, the list of hacking apps cannot be completed without talking about the Wi-Fi, and well, Wi-Fi Password Recovery is a simple app that can extract your Wi-Fi password of the saved network. So unlike Windows and Mac where you can directly see your saved Wi-Fi password, Android hides all the Wi-Fi password and system files, which you can only access if you have root access, and apps like Wi-Fi Password Recovery will help you with that. Just need some. Number 7, WPS Protester. Have you ever wondered, an Android app to hack a wireless network? I mean without any password or anything? And well, yes, if the router has enabled WPS by default, which is turned on by default and most people don't usually remember to turn it off, then chances are you extract the Wi-Fi password. Now, the The TLDR version is most router has WPS feature which let other devices like Wi-Fi printer connect to router by pressing the WPS button, and they share a 8-digit over the internet. So, what apps like WPS does is, it tries to guess the default WPS pin of the router and try to connect to that router using that. And from what I have seen so far, it does work with 60-70% of it. Number 8. Pixelknot. Hidden messages. Now, if you are sending encrypted text, everybody is going to notice you are up to something by seeing the ciphertext. But what if you want to pass your secret message in plain sight without being suspected? And well, steganography is the way to go about it then. Apps like Pixelknot can hide your secret text inside an image which you can then password protect and send to the receipt over WhatsApp or email. They're going to see a simple image, but when they open it with Pixelknot and enter a password, well, there you have it, the secret message. Number 9. Cryptography. Say you want to send someone a secret message via public channel like Gmail or WhatsApp, or the way I use it, say, I want to write all my important banking password in plain paper as a backup for my family. Now, there is no way we can use plain English for these sensitive data, right? And cryptography is the solution here. So, basically what it does is you enter a plain text and it HTML generates ciphertext, which is long string of sentences that does not TMT make sense to anyone, and you can send it via email or write it down on piece of paper, and to decode it, tell the other party of use same decryption algo that you use for encryption. Though, just to be on safe side, make sure you use more than 2 encryption so that no one in the middle can use the tool to crack the code. Number 10. Zanti. So, what exactly does Zanti does? And well, it does couple of things. So, when you first open the app, it scans for all the device on your network. Pick the one you want to target and then scan for open ports and vulnerability, or the popular feature is man-in-the-middle attack, where you can track what victim is browsing, logged the images, or even redirect the victim to different URL. Obviously, this will only work on HTTP sites and not on HTTPS sites, and although most of its features are basic, HTML need advanced skills to make most out of this app. So that's the list of top 10 killer hacking apps. So if you like the video, please like this, and for more videos please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.